The 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.